We became westernized. But the vernacular has a very big meaning. If you really don't understand it, many young people don't understand it. But our mother tongue, I never forgot because we were raised up in it. And the meaning and the name of the song is God came to give us life, hallelujah. And to give us life abundantly. And He has made a way for us where there's no way. Maybe those that don't understand, but as I sing, you will come to know. And I would love for many of our Indian generation not to ever forget the mother tongue. They say, Mother Pita Guru Devo. Means mother, father, teacher, then God. Hallelujah. And the name of the song is Veer Kuduthu Devam. God has come to give us life and life. Veer Kuduthu Devam Adigarum Deva Malai Pole Saida Yen Devam Niye Veer Kuduthu Devam Veer Kuduthu Devam Adigarum Deva Malai Pole Saida Yen Devam Niye Veer Kuduthu Devam Kulkota Malai Mele Vandirum Niye Kulkota Malai Mele Vandirum Niye Marupadi Borunal Yen Devam Varuva Avi Vaati Solliyellam Kai Neeti Koopiduva Avi Vaati Solliyellam Kai Neeti Koopiduva Veer Kuduthu Devam Anbulla Devam Yesuvum Neeye Anbulla Devam Yesuvum Neeye Marupadi Orunal Yen Devam Varuva Avi Vaati Solliyellam Kai Neeti Koopiduva Avi Vaati Solliyellam Kai Neeti Koopiduva Veer Kuduthu